White noise from the TV glows. Your perfume still hangs in air, like you're somewhere near me here. Street signs blur beneath the rain. Last train leaving once again. There's a silence in the hall, like nobody lives here at all. I don't wanna fall asleep tonight, not while your memory's alive. The city breathes in shades of grey and pulls me further away. Half-empty coffee by the bed, late night movies left unsaid. Heavy light outside the room feels colder without you. And time moves slower after two, when every thought returns to you, like shadows dancing on the wall, then disappearing into dark. I don't wanna close my eyes tonight, not while your voice still survives. The morning comes too quietly and takes what's left of me. Blue horizon coming near, but I still wish that you were here. Only rain